I'll guide you through how to blur in the CapCut mobile app the easy way, without compromising video quality. If you're looking to protect privacy by obscuring faces or sensitive information, or perhaps you want to create a stylish depth of field effect in your videos, then you'll definitely want to know how to blur in CapCut mobile app, and this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, subscribe to the 3 Minutes Fix channel and let's jump right in. Add the video clip you want to blur from your gallery. Once it's in the timeline, look for the Effects option at the bottom of the screen and tap on it to reveal the Effects tools. From the Effects tools that appear, select Video Effects. Scroll through the various video effect category tabs. Look for blur effects that suit your desired look, select it and tap the Accept mark to apply it. You can use the search field to quickly locate and apply blur effects. The blur will now appear on a new track below your main video timeline. To cover the specific portion of your video where you want to blur, tap and drag the end of this effect clip to adjust its duration. For blur effects that allow adjusting their intensity, tap on the effect clip and use the Adjust or Customize options to fine-tune its intensity. To blur only a specific part of the screen like a face or license plate, you'll need to use an overlay this way. Duplicate the main video clip by tapping on it in the timeline, then select Duplicate. Select the duplicated clip, use Overlay tool, and drag it to an overlay track on the overlay clip. Apply the blur effect as described earlier with the Effects tool. Now, use the mask feature on the blurred overlay clip by tapping the overlay clip, then select Mask to create a shape around the area you want to blur, for example, a circle or rectangle. Adjust the size and position of the mask on the preview. If the blurred object in your video moves, use keyframes on the mask to track movement. Play back your video to see the results of your applied blur. If you're happy, tap the Export button in the top right corner to save your video. By this, you've successfully blurred your video in CapCut mobile app. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any question, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more CapCut video tutorials. Thanks for watching.